Hi, this is my second year uploading consistently on YouTube. It's just a quick update on the channel and some inspirational story on why I started. I have 329 subs and 48 videos on my first year last year. And to date, it grows to 786 subs, almost 108 videos. Back on the days, travel is the thing that I really love doing. First, it was just with my GoPro 4. I just really want to capture the moments and preserve it into moving frames. And that really makes me happy. Back then, I was really contented and happy even if I just have a mediocre shot of the things that I am shooting. Not until I saw this video. That is the first video I saw from Peter McKinnon. Peter McKinnon changed my perspective of doing things. He's my go-to person whenever I need to learn, whether it's camera techniques, B-roll, etc. He's a huge inspiration in everything that I do. After seeing his films and photos, I was inspired to be better. I studied photography way back in college, and this is my first camera. Time passed and I upgraded to Sony a6500 and eventually to a7S III. I work like a horse and invest my time and money to learn and improve, hoping to be one day I'll be a better filmmaker and content creator. I know this is the thing that I love doing. I said it before, 10, 20 or even 50 years from now. You will see me still holding my camera and shooting photo and videos. For me, creating and putting those memories into frames are one of the greatest things to do in life. When I'm done one day, this is the only thing I can do. My kid Kai or even my grandkids will see my videos I made and hopefully be inspired to also create and tell the world how beautiful life is. Dear Peter, I just want to tell you that all of this burning passion to create is because of you. Thank you for being a great inspiration, not only for me, but to a lot of creators out there.